Learn smarter, not harder. One of the most consistent challenges faced in the AEC industry today is getting your staff the training they need without slowing down current projects. The Pinnacle Series offers the latest and most relevant training opportunities to the AEC industry. But how do you decipher what you already know from what you still need to learn? We have the answer. An integration between Pinnacle Series and KnowledgeSmart, an online skills assessment tool that helps organizations discover the current knowledge of their staff on a wide range of software tools. This integration brings a unique and innovative learning environment to your staff. To begin, users are assigned assessments that are designed to identify their specific expertise and skill set. From those assessments, KnowledgeSmart will analyze the results and identify any skills gap of that user. A skills gap is defined as a significant gap between a user's current capabilities and the skills needed to achieve their goals. After a skills gap is identified, Pinnacle Series analyzes the skills gap and uses that information to generate custom courses to further a user's knowledge and help them close their specific skills gap. This offers users targeted training to eliminate force-fed learning for the sake of learning. Instead, every course is strategically assigned based on the specific knowledge needed by each individual. Learn smarter, not harder, with Pinnacle Series and KnowledgeSmart.